Hello and welcome to GUI.Dog. Oh, yes. So, what are we looking at today? We're looking at, a gotcha. There's a gotcha right here. If you're in RU code and you go to settings, then, MCP servers, and sometimes you get these timed out, and to save yourself a lot of headache and using a lot of credits that get wasted, you've got to make sure that these are connected. So the super base one has been going on and off for a while, and the stripe one has kind of failed every single time. Playwright, there you go as well. It's been messing up. So that's a gotcha. So something to look out for when you start using RU code. Just check that. And what do we got happening on Suhuf? What are we doing on Suhuf? So on Suhuf, first thing I've changed is that if you search, it doesn't go in alphabetical order anymore. I'm kind of keeping an eye on it because it's sorted out on the client side. There is the option of doing it on the server side, but that's more complicated. And as we're going with the minimum viable feature packed product, we're going for the minimum viable feature. I'll leave it like this and keep an eye on it as well. There's also business categories. Like the business categories, I've limited them to the ones that actually have businesses. Before it was a huge list, and then a lot of them didn't have any businesses. But so we've changed it so that it's only the businesses that have a category that show up. So and it's the AI that actually AI actually suggested the number by the category. So that's the benefit of AI. You've got to take that in consideration, that you're not dealing with a blank canvas. You're actually dealing with the AI can make decisions for you that you wouldn't have actually thought about, and then give you a working example rather than dealing with a blank canvas and going blank yourself. So there it is. And the prompts for this I will put in the description. Now the categories themselves, I actually got them from, I've got an old directory here, but it's in paper form. And I took a picture, and amazingly, the AI can read it. If you use a particular one that has OCR, it can read the text in the picture. And then I thought it was going to eat through so many credits, but it didn't. It actually used a very little amount of credits to actually do it. So and then it took the categories off the pages, and then I was able to tell it to put it in my Superbase database. And then so you've got extra categories, but you can't see them here because they don't have businesses. But that is an amazing thing that it can do. Now I can't still get over the edge functions and the ability of the edge functions. Now with the edge functions, I've had a bit of trouble actually. That they do fine when it's a business with a website, but I've actually tried to get it to do businesses without the website, and it's been having a lot of trouble. But I've got an idea of how to do that. So can I actually find one? Let me just go home. I've got an idea. It's been using a lot of credits, a lot of goes, and well, the difficulty is the way it got snagged on the on that feature. And so like a business without a website, it shows as not verified, and I haven't been able to actually get it to search the web using AI, and with the information that it has here, find the actual website itself, and then find the contact information and see whether it actually matches to what is here and update it. And yeah, so that's a work in progress. But it's amazing to think that, your Supabase database is like a beehive, and your edge function is like the bee, and you can go out to the internet and visit flower websites, extract like nectar, which is information from those websites, that flower, bring it back to your hive, that is your Supabase database, process it into honey, that is useful information, and then present that honey to your viewers, your visitors, and they would pay money for the honey. That is what is going on here. And what is better, like human beings, the whole process here is meeting a human need and getting paid to do it by learning something new. And human beings, they have an insatiable appetite for information, useful information. So that's what you're doing right here, and you can do that with an edge function. Get the Supabase, and it's free. It's free. Supabase starting off is free. It's amazing that you can actually do that. The opportunities right here, guys. The opportunities right here. You need to get onto this AI thing, get some ideas, get something going. Get those bees flying out to the flower websites, collecting that nectar and bringing it back to process it into honey, so you can sell the honey to get the money. That's what we're doing here. So if you like what you're hearing, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell and choose all. Give us a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Tell us in the comment section why you gave us a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.